Silence in the audience, please, and thank you.
Close my eyes, close my eyes, close my eyes, close my eyes at night. But it's hard to sleep. Close my eyes, close my eyes, close my eyes at night. But it's hard to sleep. See, who needs sleep when your reality is better than your dreams? And it seems as if your sole purpose here on earth is to love me. And when death do us part and our hearts lose beats, our spirits will collide in afterlife infinity. No more you and me, but us and we, so proud to carry your last name. Not ashamed of this love we've gained, and it is only my pleasure to join you on this never-ending journey. Though sometimes I ask myself with all my flaws about me, but you say true love is loving one's imperfections perfectly. But you say true love is loving every bit of me with every bit of you. And to the world, you may just be one, but to me, you are the world. And I'm so elated to unite with you. So elated just to try with you. Who cares what they say, for they ain't got ooh. Because what two God has brought together, no man can come in between. The most beautiful thing in unconditional bond. And as we assume the position of bride and groom to become one, it feels as if the whole universe agrees. Because what is meant will be, and I love being in this space with you. You take me to places where there's no need for luggage. Such an abundance of what is true. And the truth is, without you, life isn't worth living. You humble me. You teach me, correct me, bring out the best in me. And no, I don't know what our future will bring. All I know is as long as I have you by my side, there's no need to worry. And all I ask is that you love me, and I will do the same. Close my eyes, close my eyes, close my eyes at night. But it's hard to sleep. Who needs sleep when your reality is better than your dreams? Thank you.